Nell 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Pasabog na naman ang ating pambato sa Miss Universe 2025. Fresh from her newly released photos, Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Maria Atisa Manalo is proving once again that she is more than ready to conquer the Miss Universe in Thailand. Makikita natin sa kanyang latest pictorial ang kanyang matinding transformation mula sa kanyang fierce poses hanggang sa kanyang eleganteng styling. Every detail of this photo shoot highlights her beauty, confidence, and the kind of queenly aura na hinahanap sa Miss Universe stage. Kung titingnan natin, hindi ito basta-basta simpleng photoshoot lamang. This serves as a powerful statement na si Atisa ay handa na, hindi lang sa pasarela kundi maging sa pagbibigay inspirasyon sa buong Pilipinas. With her captivating looks and undeniable presence, pinapatunayan niya na kaya niyang makipagsabayan sa pinakamahuhusay na kandidata sa buong mundo. Her styling is on point, modern yet infused with Filipina elegance. Her aura, fierce and commanding, ready to dominate the Miss Universe stage. At higit sa lahat, her confidence is radiating, something na talagang tumatagos kahit sa mga litrato pa lamang. Hindi maikakaila na bawat larawan ay nagpapakita ng kanyang dedikasyon at pagsasanay. Behind those stunning photos are months of preparation, mula training ng Q&A, pasarela, personality development, at syempre ang kanyang advocacy work. This is not just about beauty, it's about substance and impact. Kaya mga kababayan, abangan natin ang mas marami pang pasabog ni Atisa sa mga darating na araw. Sa bawat larawan, bawat lakad at bawat salita, she is showing the universe that the Philippines is ready to shine once again. This has been your pageant update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Atisa Manalo's journey to the 74th Miss Universe in Thailand. Once again, this is Nell 2204, and let's continue to support our queen as she brings pride and glory to our country. Mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas, and of course, don't forget to continue on supporting this channel para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita at mga bagong updates. Thank you so much for watching.